Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can automatically save Instagram live videos to archive. Alright guys, here I have opened my Instagram application on my phone, and the first thing we have to do is clicking on this profile button right here, and then you are going to select this button on the top right corner of your screen. Then after that, you can select settings and privacy, and on the settings and privacy option, you have to scroll down your screen until you find archiving and downloading. So this is the archiving and downloading setting, so you have to tap on it, and then since we want to save a live video to archive, we can click on this button. Okay, and now you can automatically save your live video to your archive. Alright guys, and that's how we can automatically save Instagram live videos to archive. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this video is useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.